making me shiver. He's not like you, don't want him to. He's more like the river, growing stronger. When we're alone, there's no you in the picture.
Are you guys ready?
Ready!
Woo! It's gonna be another adventure, so let's go, guys!
We head for the sky, it's alright. Our wings wouldn't fly, it's alright. If we are crashing down again, pieces of love, it's alright. Scattered in mud, it's alright.
Alright, guys, friends, so we're now heading to Medellin, and I think we'll go to Maya. Maya, guys? Yes, guys, we're now riding the GAC. GAC. GAC confirm me, eh? So yes, guys, see you there, and I hope now got a good weather today. Kaya karon kay mura siya cloudy, but
You know that we won't make it out. We've heard it all before. It's alright. It's alright. It's alright.
alright, guys, made it here in Medellin. So mao ni siya ang the longest aisle. Oh, tanawa dire, guys. Oh, it's so green. Daghang kay mga nag-kuan diri, nag-rides. I'm gonna fly my drone here, guys. I'm gonna show you the bird's eye view. So I hope you enjoy.
I know that you are having a hard time right now. That everything seems to crumble around you. I know that you feel all alone in this world, but you have to put your trust into us, and we will help you through, 'cause we only want what's best for you.
Behind the scene, balik na. Okay, so let's go.
I'll come to on a Saturday. Loves you warm and the bones and a
Balik na.
the shout. How deep is your love? Your love, how deep is your love? I only need to know.
You're gone now, will you coming back?
Wow.
Yeah, I know that. You're the traveling kind. It's a no.
Alright, guys, I think I got some nice shots. Well, let's see. Pero I think muna to siya. So let's go, guys.
All the places I hope it means that you come home to me. Once you travel the world, all the spaces inside your heart.
Alright, guys, so we're back in the car. We're going to Daan Bantayan, or in my I don't know kung asa mi. Tanaw lang yun din naron. Okay, wala mi nga tol Google Maps. It's our best friend today. It's laptop, guys.
Pero laban si GAC.
So nag-stop over sa Midrik. Oh my god, what happened to my hair?
I whip my hair back and forth.
Thank you. Nanapay peach mango tayo. Muna na itong lunch, guys. Cheers! Alright, these friends, so we're now on our way to Nalundan Beach. So it's just a public beach here in Maya. So ihatod mi ni ate. Hello, ate! Tara, si ate. Sige, thank you. So ihatod mi ni kuya. Pila siya ka minutes pa doon dito? Dali ra ko, no?
Atal pa ikaw, atal pa.
Hanguna ka ni hatod ka to babae, sunod siya. Nasunod na sa si kuya, nasunod. Ikaw na lang, Kawi. Ikaw na lang ang maghatod sa amin. So muna siya ang agianan, guys. And you need to be careful because there are a lot of poop, cow's poop. That's why you need to carry light bag and apply sunscreen because it's hot. And tanawa guys, ang agianan pa dong dito. Oh. So mag-short ka, good luck. Ako, good luck to me. Oh my gosh! So dapat ko magbutang ani pero dili kay mako na akong legs.
Tsaka.
Mag-crashes tarot. Oh no, jud ay kanay god. You see? Your legs. You need to protect your legs. Look at this, oh. Diba? Kuan kay siya, so careful mo kay basin masamad mo. And then yung mga legs dira dapat na ay charot. Oh my gosh. Ali. Diba? Kuan kay siya. Lower siya lakon, pero na siya diri sa may Maya. So yes. It's already 12:30 guys. Mauna ne? So made it here in Nalundan Beach. Mura siya expectation versus reality. Kaya lisod siya. Una guys, kay cliff manggod siya. Niya ba siya balikan. Saan? Dito? Oh, di ba? Hi! And this part na akong kuanan ron guys, kay murag cliff siya. I think it's good for kanang cliff diving, but I'm not amazed with the beach kay ano siya guys, ano siya, mura na siya. Oh, nice na siya diri for picture taking diri, but it's scary kay murag anak man gud siya, niya basta slide ka. Oh my gosh.
Viva Ardiente! What's up everybody? We're here at Nalundan Beach. Nalundan Beach talaga siya guys. Actually dito daw dadaan yung mga baha galing sa bundok. Pero sinupsip lang daw ng mga dahon dyan.
Di banggod.
Let me warm you up. Oh baby please, let me love you much. Baby, don't be cold. I will warm you. Every day I reach out to you as a heart, baby. Let me warm you up.
Alright guys, so nahuman ako palupad sa akong drone. I hope na okay ra to ako makakuha. Pero okay, feel na ko kay na ko yung mga decent na mga nakuha na mga videos. Another did rin mga nangaligo oh. Hi guys! Say hi to my vlog! Taga-ari na mo kuya?
Kuan mi tay, nagliampon mi.
Wow! Hello!
Hello.
Guys, this is called hello.
Hello, this is
Napaka-cake.
Okay, ayaw lang oy!
Hi.
Hello!
Say hi. Tilawid day.
Sige lang kuya, oy! Doon lang kuya, kay mga on na sa dito. Ato na me, thank you guys!
Bye-bye! Hello everybody, yes, it's Jonah here again and takeovering by the term of Daisy's camera guys. So don't forget to like, comment and share to Daysee. Yeah, you got it right. Wow!
Kumusta man mo?
Diba?
Okay lang?
Okay ra, init.
Hi, mga video. Banyaga ba ka na video doon? Ay, mong kuhan, kumpiyansa ng video. Hi guys, please subscribe! Look at baboy.
Harley.
Uy, si Med, ba't di man mo kuhan nun? Uy, nakidya itong bumbuang.
Okay guys, so mabalik na mi sa car. Gutom na. Whew. Wala na ako naligo eh, kaya di kay siya nindot ang kuon. Batuon siya niya, wala siya. Ano, look at my sweat. So mag-con ka guys, dapat physically fit ka. Kumari ka sa rodan. Sige tayo doon naman siya, pero daghan na siya mga inani sagbot. So, muna siya akong kuan pa, kaya ako siyang gitabunan o ganing panyo na ako or ganing show. Oh, wala. See? Wow.
Sakit kayo.
Woo.
Ito.
Duh.
Grabe eh.
So what we're doing here inside the GS8 motors while on the trip and on the road ay itatransfer namin yung files ng mga drone footages ni Daisy. She's opening actually her laptop, so itatransfer namin dito, and because we don't have any other files except Daisy's, and bababa siya sa Compostela, so we don't have any other choice but to also get some files, and I have my flash drive dun sa bag ko na nasa likod. So syempre, dahil maparaan tayo at medyo maluwag-luwag ang GS8, so kaya lang natin mag ganun, guys. Flexible. See?
Ganon kaluwag ang GA.
Ganon!
Alright guys, so we're now here in Lanao. So, ari may mag-lunch. It's 4:30 PM. Ano gito siya basta mag-travel. Late for me ang kaon. Nagpili na kuya?
200.
200?
Miss, magkano?
200 miss! 200!
Walay tawad?
199 na lang! 199!
Gani pila.
Ano 180 lang!
Baligya kami.
Dili! For rent lang, for rent! Alright guys, makaon namin! Naramong tapa, it's 130 pesos. This one is 200 pesos.
Thank you, ma'am.
So, lapang na guys! Lapang!
Kain.
Wait, kapili here. Parang ko tutuan, babe.
Ginagawa mo.
Alright guys, so we're now back in the car, the van, and thank you so much GAC Motors of Cebu for the nice service, nice kayo mong comfortable kayo mong kuan, and also to Sir Renz Timata for driving us to the north. Yes guys, so I think that would be all. Overall, I really enjoyed my trip with this awesome people. Hi!
And the sunroof.
I will end the vlog here. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. If you're already subscribed, please hit the notification bell below so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And also guys, make sure to follow my other social media accounts. I have Instagram and Facebook. My Instagram is at iamdaysee and my Facebook page is Daisy. So always remember that every day is a chance to see the beauty of God's creation, and always seize the day. Thanks so much for watching. See you in my next food, adventure, and travel vlogs. Bye guys!